Hey everyone, welcome to our last day of Math Money. I want you to get out your help worksheet. There's 2 of them, remember? Okay. And then get out your whiteboard, marker, and an eraser because we're going to do some more practicing with cash, okay? So with dollar bills. So if I have a $5 bill and then I have 5 $1 bills, how many dollar bills do I have? Let's draw it out. You should be drawing it out with me. How many do I have? I'll give you a little bit to finish drawing yours. Oh, and I only drew 4. Okay, make sure you draw one $5 bill and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 $1 bills. So I have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 dollar bills at this point. Okay, now what if I have 4 quarters? Okay, if you want to challenge yourself, draw a Q instead of a circle with the amount in it for quarters, so you have to think about how much they are worth. Okay, if I have 4 quarters, that means I'm adding what? 25, 50, 75, another dollar to it. So what is $10 plus $1? That's going to get me to what? $11. Now what if I have 10 dimes? I'm sorry, 5 dimes we're going to do. What if I have 5 dimes? Let's count that out. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 cents. So if I have $11 and I add 50 cents, I would now have $11.50. Now if I want to do 2 nickels after this, nickels are worth 5. I now have 10 cents I want to add. What is 50 plus 10? My total now is $11.60. Okay, so I like to start with my dollar bills. And then if I have quite a few quarters, I'll count those out and add it to my dollar bill. Count my dimes out and add them to my quarters. And same with my nickels. Okay, I'm going to give you 10 seconds to erase, or 5 seconds to erase. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, let's get started on another one. This time we're going to start with a $10 bill. Okay, so that's worth $10. Then we're going to do a $5 bill. That's worth 5. I'll let you draw that as well. Then I'm going to do 2 $1 bills. Let's count that out. 10 plus 5, if you need to, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So these 2 are 15, plus 1 is 16, plus 1 is 17. So we have $17 in our bills. Now let's do 3 quarters. Let's draw out. Okay. Remember, you can just put a Q if you want to make it more tricky, or you can draw the circle for the coin and write 25 in it. Okay. I'm going to mix mine up. So I have 3 quarters. Let's do 2 dimes. Dimes are 10 cents, or you can do a D for dimes. I'm going to mix it up again. 1 nickel and 2 pennies. I'm going to do 1 and 1. All right, let's count this out now. We're at 17 with our dollar bills. Plus, let's count all of our quarters first. 25, 50, 75. So now we're at $17. Did we make a new dollar? No, we didn't, so we can keep it at 17.75. Okay, did you see how I counted that? I counted all my dollars. Then I counted my quarters, 25, 50, 75. I did not make it to a new dollar, so I can write 17.75. Now let's count in our 2 dimes. 75 plus 10 is 85. Okay, so right here I'm at 17.85. Now I need to add 10 again to my change to get 17. Remember, this number goes up by 10. 17.95. So after I count my dimes, I have $17.95. Now I have a nickel that's worth 5. What is 95 plus 5? You're right if you say it's 100. 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Okay? We know if we have 100 cents, what happens? We go up $1. So what is 17 plus 1? 18. So with our nickels, we have $18 now. Okay? So when we added all of our quarters, dimes, and nickels, it created another $1. So we are now at 18. We have 2 pennies. So $18.01, $18.02. And how would I write that? $18.02. Okay, nice job. All right, let's look at our work again. We added our dollar bills. Then we added our quarters. Then onto our quarters, we added our dimes to the change. Then we added our nickel, which got us to 100 cents. We got to go up another $1. And then we added our 2 pennies last. So we started with our biggest amount and worked our way to our smallest. Okay, eraser boards in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, what I want you to do for practice today is I want you to draw out $4 bills, and then I want you to do 3 quarters, so it can be any amount for dollar bills, 3 quarters, 2 dimes, 2 nickels, and 3 pennies. Okay, so let's go back over that. $4 bills, you can choose if it's $1 or a $10 bill or a $5 bill, however you want to do that, okay? Then you need 3 quarters, so draw this out on your whiteboards, 2 dimes, 2 nickels, and 3 pennies. If you need to pause the video to take a look at what you should draw, pause it right now so you can see it all. All right, then we're going to take out our help. So get out that sheet. It says, help, we are a mess. Help unscramble these numbers so they make sense. Write them in the correct boxes. So how much money is shown here? Try counting it. If you need your coins worksheet, bring that out to help you know. Let's see, $1, $2, $3 here. How many quarters do I have? I have 3 quarters, 25, 50, 75. So I'm at $3.75. And I've used all my quarters, so I'm going to cross them off. I have a dime left for 10 cents. What is 75 plus 10? I now have $3.85. So over here it has all of my numbers, my decimal, my money sign, now, or my dollar sign. Now I need to write this. What always comes first? If we're using the dollar sign always comes first. So I use that so I can cross it off. And my total was $3, so I'm going to put the 3 in the next box. And then if I say dollars, I put my decimal then. So $3, cross off my decimal. And was it 58 or 85? Let's go back and check. $3.85. So I'm going to put the 8 and then the 5. And I can cross them both off. So we used every number, the decimal, and the money sign, okay? So we have $3.85 here, okay? There are 4 more left, okay? So first you have to count up all the money there, write it down, okay? And write it in the correct order. All right, continue on. Nice job, boys and girls. Next week, you will be taking a money quiz.